Okay, here is my Happy Thursday assignment based on this really interesting company, locally based out of Baltimore, which is the city where I'm from, called Cool Progeny. It's basically, I mean, as it says right here in the motto, the go-to resource for cool Baltimore families. It's basically just a website that connects people with fun things to do for their kids, fun activities. It also is like there's like mom based events for like a mom who wants to get away for the night, and just like a ton of stuff that's always going on around town to connect people with their community and get them involved in cool and fun things. So we can go down here and everything and eat, just really fun restaurants you can go to. They partner with a bunch of restaurants around Baltimore and just are always looking for cool opportunities to get involved in. There's play, cool reads, cool finds, everything that you would want to do, especially now that we're all in quarantine for kids that are no longer in school. It's a really, really useful website just to like find a lot of Facebook Lives and just activities to do. So here's parents. It even gives parenting tips and stuff like that. And if I scroll down, there's all these cool articles that are just fun activities and stuff for kids to do. And there's even camps and stuff that they partner with and give a lot of information on. And then let's see, there's the calendar, which is just really, really helpful, especially nowadays. Obviously, as I said, just giving people stuff to do during the time of quarantine because everything's virtual, but it's still really fun, interesting stuff. Zumba, music, acting, crafting, dancing. It's so much fun stuff to do all through this website that you can just find out all this information. You can give style, fun stuff to do just all the time. Contact them really easily right here. Gives a really, really simple way to do it. Yeah, it's just really a really cool website, really cool company that really local and just helping parents and kids get connected with fun stuff to do.